Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Sony about PS5 issues. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to contact Sony about PS5 issues, there's a couple of different ways to do this. So I'll just run you through the first way. So what we need to do is head on over to playstation.com or .com.au depending where you are from. So I'm going to click on playstation.com. And now from here, we need to navigate to support on the top of the page here, and then we need to click on support again. This is going to take us to the support section of PlayStation. Now scroll down here, it's going to say browse help by category. So if you got issues about PS5 issues, we want to click onto games. And now we want to click onto game support, and they've got some common game questions, etc. These could help you, but you want to speak to Sony about your issues. So what we need to do is click on the blue Ask a PlayStation Expert button on the bottom right hand corner, and now it will say get help from a PlayStation expert. So you can get help from another player by asking questions here. Experts don't have account access for account management. Rah rah. And it states here, when a PlayStation expert reviews a question, you'll receive an answer in this chat window. So you can click on I understand, put in your first name, last name, email. What is your question about? Just say, hey, I would like to speak to a Sony rep about my PS5 issues. And then click onto send and just wait a few moments and someone from Sony will get back to you. Another way we can contact Sony about PS5 issues is head over to a website called pissconsumer.com. This is it here. So let's go ahead and click into here, and once you're here you want to type in PlayStation in the search bar and then click on the PlayStation. Now you want to scroll down and click onto where it says reviews about contacts. Click on the contacts, and if we scroll down again, so we've got a toll-free number. We can give them a call. We've got customer service numbers from Argentina, Brazil, Chile, and then we've got here an email address. We can shoot a message over and say you'd like to speak to a rep about your PS5 issues.